Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to follow sellers on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to follow sellers on the Grailed web app. First things first, open your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. If prompted, click the login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the homepage or your dashboard, which we have in here. Now, if you already know the seller's username, use the search bar at the top of the page to find them. Type the seller's name or the shop name into the search bar and press enter or search. You can also discover sellers by browsing items. So once you click on an item, the seller's name will be listed below the item's details. At the top corner, you can also click on shop, okay, to get started. So we have different shops in here. So these are the shops available. Now go ahead and click on any of these products. Of course, anyone that you want. This is me just checking out for this. Now, under this, you have Akaba clothing and streetwear/vintage. And of course, in this product details or product details page, you have purchase, you have offer, you have message, and then you have the seller. Fast Rayon is the seller, and the seller is verified and the seller is trusted. So for you to follow, just go ahead and click on the follow button. And once you click on the follow button, that's just pretty much it. You will be able to follow the seller. Now, after clicking the button, it should change to following or display a confirmation message that you are now following the seller. You will now receive updates whenever the seller lists new items or make changes to their shop. Okay, so to view all the sellers you are following, which is optional, you can go back to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then from the drop-down menu, you should be able to find the followers the sellers that you have followed. Okay, now if you ever want to stop following a seller, simply go back to their profile page and click on the following button. It will now turn to unfollow. And that's the process. You can now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.